Hey guys, it's Dave from Genuine Tea here. Today we're going to show you how to make an authentic Japanese ceremonial grade matcha latte. So we're using Kato matcha. We work with the Kato family in Uji, Kyoto, and we love their matcha. It's hands down the best quality you'll find in Canada. So what we're going to do is show you guys how to make a matcha latte for at home or even in a cafe. So if you don't have a variable water temperature, you can just add the boiling water into your cup first. The reason we do this is because matcha doesn't like boiling water. You'll burn the leaves. So when it's in the cup, it'll cool down a little bit. Then what you do is go and steam your milk. It can be a little bit loud. So now that you have your steamed milk, what you want to do is you want to add your matcha to the water because the water is nice and cool. It won't burn the tea leaves. So what we recommend is doing 1 scoop for an 8-ounce latte, 2 scoops for a 12-ounce, but because we love matcha, we're doing a 16-ounce. So we're doing 3 flat scoops. Then what you want to do is you want to grab your whisk or your chasen and then just start whisking her on up. Takes about 10 to 15 seconds. We recommend whisking directly into the mug or the cup because just eliminates a step. You don't need to have a bowl. So obviously signs of an authentic Japanese matcha are a beautiful foam on top and a nice vibrant green color. Then what you want to do is you want to grab your milk. We're doing oat milk because we love that it's sugar-free, but it's entirely up to you. And then you just pour it on in. So I can't do fancy latte art like the baristas, but I think the color speaks for itself. So there you have it, authentic Japanese ceremonial grade matcha latte.